What is DeFi? Everything you need to know. You had to know that if digital money was a thing, there was going to be a way to beg, borrow, and steal digital money. As soon as something hits the market, all the other aspects of that thing also hit the market. Think of it like a new Disney movie. First, it's just a movie about a cute young girl trying to prove herself to her parents by sailing across the ocean with a demigod to restore the heart of the Earth goddess. Then, it's a Moana soundtrack, and kids everywhere are singing, "You're welcome," along with Dwayne Johnson. Next, Moana toys hit the shelves. McDonald's is giving away Moana figurines with Happy Meals. Moana costumes, stuffed animals, party favors, you name it. Nothing in the capitalist free market system stands alone. Same goes for digital currency. First, it's Bitcoin. Then it's applications to use Bitcoin. Then it's alternative types of cryptocurrencies. Then it's wallets with keys to access your cryptocurrency. Finally, and of course, there has to be a way to lend and borrow cryptocurrency. Enter DeFi. Now, before we get into DeFi, what it is and how to use it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you can join the club and get notifications on all new posts about the world of digital finance. What is DeFi? DeFi is short for Decentralized Finance. Decentralized finance is exactly what it sounds like, a decentralized way to finance cryptocurrency. DeFi is not so much a thing in the way that cryptocurrency is a thing, a decentralized cryptocurrency, or even the way a crypto wallet is a thing, a digital storage unit for accessing information to your crypto. DeFi is more of an umbrella term for all transactions that involve financial transactions in the digital world. Decentralization is at the heart of DeFi. It's what makes DeFi exciting. The trouble with the world of finance for most people is that the centralized nature of it adds fees and charges that sometimes make the transaction much more expensive than we think it should be. Centralized banks. In the traditional banking and finance world, the banks, lenders, and finance companies take a huge chunk of money for their trouble. Take a credit card transaction, for example. You slide your card to buy the latest Moana toy for your kid, of course. The store, online or physical, sends a signal through a network to the store's bank. The bank sends it to your credit card company, and the credit card company sends the approval back through. Every step of the way, the institutions involved charge a fee. Those fees are passed on to you in the form of annual fees for credit cards, interest rate charges, over-the-limit fees, etc. Ad nauseum. With centralized banks, the banks have total control, and there's nothing you can do about it. If you have money and you want to lend it, you typically must go through some sort of financial system to create contracts, interest rates, and create repayment agreements. Or you simply deposit your money in the bank and the bank lends your money out to borrowers, charging them exorbitant fees and paying you less than pennies on the dollar. The risk is minimal to you, but so is the reward. DeFi flips centralized banks on their heads. DeFi then is like a giant snubbing of the nose at centralized banking. Just like cryptocurrency, there's no mainframe, no centralized database, and certainly no centralized organization determining rates and fees. If you wanted to lend money to someone, you simply look for interested borrowers, make an agreement, and move forward with no intermediaries to tell you what to do or how. If you wanted to borrow money, you find a lender anywhere on the World Wide Web willing to lend to you. You find the interest rates and other terms you're willing to agree to, and you move forward. No middleman. What can you do with DeFi? DeFi is still relatively new. Remember, crypto is still relatively new. Bitcoin has only been around for about a decade, and its closest competitor, Ethereum, has only been around since 2015. DeFi is a direct offshoot of Ethereum and has only gained traction in the digital world in the last few of those years. Still, even in that short time, it has grown astronomically. As of October 2021, the value of assets used in decentralized finance amounted to $100 billion. People are definitely interested. What types of assets are we talking about? Lending. Crypto carriers can borrow crypto from others at agreed-upon interest rates. Those with funds willing to lend can find borrowers to lend to. Speculation. Just like the stock market, a person can speculate on price movements on assets using derivatives. Trade crypto. DeFi can be used to trade in different forms of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin through Ethereum, for example. Insurance. Yes, you can use your crypto to buy insurance against various risks. Savings. And finally, you can store your crypto in savings accounts to earn interest rates. All of these transactions are done using blockchain technology and smart contracts. Blockchain. Blockchain technology is what has made all of this possible. It is a virtually infallible, risk-free, highly secure decentralized database that records every single transaction that a cryptocurrency undergoes. Access to the blockchain of all crypto is public, so all crypto is constantly traceable. So while you may be anonymous as a cryptocurrency owner, your crypto is always available to be traced by anyone who wants to find it. Smart contracts. Like DeFi, smart contracts were created by Ethereum. Smart contracts are programs run on blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. It is self-executing and is written directly into lines of code. This means in the DeFi world that you cannot renege on a contract. It will be carried out once both parties come to terms. Other companies have since created their own smart contract, and all of the DeFi world is run using them, which makes for a relatively secure and stable financial world, considering its decentralized nature. Stablecoins. It is also helpful to know that most of the world of DeFi is run using stablecoins, which are coins that are, like the name implies, more stable. They're tied to a fiat currency, like the dollar, or backed by a physical entity. How do you get into DeFi? For those interested in exploring the world of DeFi, it is run on DApps, which are decentralized applications. Top 5 DeFi DApps: Colony, Aave, Phantom, PancakeSwap, The Graph. Each of these applications is highly respected and can get you started if you want to begin investing, borrowing, or lending to get a feel for the DeFi world. Remember, it is very early in the world of DeFi, so it is still a bit wild west out there. It's unregulated, so you can still expect a certain level of hacks, errors, and scams. There's talk of regulation, but no one quite knows how that would work in the decentralized world. For now, companies that run crypto and dApps are charged with setting rules and any fees or charges they may employ to keep their businesses running. It will certainly be interesting to see how it plays out. Taking the power away from the behemoth money-making banks is not going to be easy, that's for sure.